All right, guys, now we're going to practice writing the letter J. We will practice writing the uppercase J and the lowercase j. Here we go. Uppercase J. Step 1 is that we would draw a straight line down, curve it around and stop. We would then lift our finger. We would then lift our pencil or possibly crayon, whatever we are using to write, and come back to the top to draw a straight line across. Now, since you're at home, the best way to practice writing the letter J would be on a piece of paper with someone to help you, or during this video, you can simply use your finger and practice writing the letter J in the air. So let's do that now together. Ready? Fingers up, pointing. We are going to go straight down, curve to the left, coming around and stop. Lift our finger away, bring it back to the top, and draw a straight line across. That is step 2. You have just written the uppercase J. Fantastic. Let's continue to practice, except I'm going to help a little bit by drawing our straight line across for the uppercase J. Again, get your finger ready. We go straight down and around, lift our finger, bring it to the top, and let's draw our straight line across. That is the uppercase J. Now, let's see if you can do it by yourself with no help. All right, get your finger ready. I would love for you to do the uppercase J. Ready and go. Great job. Now to check to see that we've written it the right way, again, you're writing it in the air. We go down and around, stop, lift our finger, come back to the top, and then we do our straight line across. I hope that your uppercase J looks just like mine. Now let's practice the lowercase j. It's very similar to our uppercase J, except for the straight line across, we just simply do a dot. All right, here we go. Get your fingers ready. You can feel free to trace on the screen or practice writing in the air. Here we go. Lowercase j. We start, we come down and around, very much like our uppercase J. We come to the top, and step 2 is a simple dot. And then we are done. You have just written the lowercase j. All right, we're going to practice again. Get your finger ready. Here we go. Straight line down, curve around. We bring it back to the top, and we do a dot. Great job. Now it's your turn. Remember, no help this time. Let's see if you can write the lowercase j on your own. Get your finger ready. Get set. Go. Great job. I hope that your lowercase j looks like mine. We go down and around. We stop. We bring our finger back to the top, and we do a dot. Great job. All right. I'm going to help us out a little bit by doing the straight line across on our uppercase J, but I would love for you to have your finger ready. Let's practice the uppercase J one more time. Ready? Fingers up. Let's go down and around. Stop. Bring your finger back to the top and do your straight line across. But we're not done. Let's practice our lowercase j one more time. I hope you have your finger ready. Here we go. Straight line down with a little curve and around. We stop, bring our finger back to the top, and we do our dot. That is the lowercase j. Now it's your turn. No help this time. Get your finger ready. I want to see you practice writing the uppercase J and then the lowercase j. Go ahead and begin. Nice job. In conclusion, our uppercase J should look like this. Down and around with a straight line across. Our lowercase j should have looked like down and around with a dot at the top. You guys are fantastic, and that is the end of learning letter J. Give yourself a round of applause. Great job, everyone.